Okay,
Like
ready?
20.
All right, so diaphragm down. So you know that this vessel here has to be the descending aorta, or the aorta. And this one is the inferior vena cava, right? This is a kidney, and so this vein that is going to the kidney is the right renal vein. This artery that's going to the kidney is the right renal artery, which means that these two are the left renal artery and left renal veins. The structure you see here and here, those are the adrenal glands. And so they also need blood and need to be drained of blood. So the red going here is the left suprarenal artery, and the blue here is the left suprarenal vein. Okay? Now if you come down this way, you see these two paired vessels? Well, these are technically the testicular arteries, or you can say gonadal arteries. This is the right testicular artery. This is the left testicular artery. You know, this is technically a male model, but right and left gonadal arteries, right? What about the veins? Well, if you look over here, this is the right gonadal vein, or right testicular vein in this case. And it's going to dump blood directly into the inferior vena cava. However, take a look over here. See, the red here is the left testicular artery. But the blue here is the left testicular vein. If we follow the testicular vein, where is it dumping into now? It's dumping into the left renal vein, which would then dump into the inferior vena cava, right? Different from the right gonadal vein, or the right testicular vein. This only dumps into inferior vena cava, while the left dumps into first the left renal and then the inferior vena cava. Okay? Now, if we go down this way again, we get to a point where the aorta splits. Right and left common iliac arteries. Sorry, left and right common iliac arteries. Since it's common, you know that it's going to split, right? And so here and here are the left and right external iliac arteries. Here and here are the left and right internal iliac arteries. Let's take a look at the internal. This is where it's going to get a little hard because you have to be able to see in here. So, see that vessel? You can barely see that vessel where my probe is. That is the superior, be careful, please don't hit yourself. That is the superior gluteal artery in this model. Next to it, this one here, is the inferior gluteal artery. But notice something.